Hi, everyone. Welcome to your second week of virtual learning. Hopefully, your first week wasn't too stressful. I tried to keep it very simple for your first week back. Um, this week, we're going to start our new unit. It's the fourth quarter. Yay, made it to fourth quarter. And our new unit is all about the brain. So I've laid out what we're going to be doing in your assignments. So you're going to want to go into your assignments and click, I think I titled it The Week of April 6th through April 10th, I think is the name of it, but you'll see it'll be right at the top. But I kind of wanted to just make an announcement here as well so that I can kind of go through what I expect for you guys to do throughout this week. So the first thing today, Monday, you need to go into the Kahoot link and play a pre-test game. So I've opened up a live pre-test game. It'll be open on Monday and Tuesday. I believe it's closed on Tuesday at midnight, I think is when it closes. Then for Tuesday and Wednesday, you're going to log in and you're going to read an article. The article is about a study that some scientists did to see if there's a connection between Oreos and our brain, to see if Oreos are as addictive as drugs. It's a really interesting article. And for the assignment piece, you're going to complete a graphic organizer. So you need to download that organizer and type inside of it and then upload it for your grade. On Thursday, I have linked for you guys to watch a brain pop about brains. Brain pop about brains. Yeah. And at the end of that, take the 10-question quiz for me. On Friday, I'm going to post a discussion, and you are going to just give your thoughts about whether or not you feel the Oreos are as addictive as drugs, and you're going to use evidence to support that claim. So that's kind of laying out all 5 days of what I expect this week. I hope you're doing well. If you need to reach me, please email me or send me a remind or inbox me on Canvas, and I would love to help you if you're struggling with anything at all. I hope you're well. I hope you're enjoying your time with your family. I hope you're social distancing yourself and just, keeping well, body and mind. I miss all of you very much. I miss our classroom. I miss our friends. I miss our laughs. So hopefully we'll be together soon. Take care and have a great week. Bye.